Hi, welcome back. It's day 3 of the Market Volatility Survival Guide, Wednesday, March 25th, and today's topic is the wisdom of the experts. Of course, this morning we got the great news that we just received a confirmation from Congress that they have agreed to pass the most significant economic stimulus in history to the tune of over $2 trillion. And also expect to see more action being taken by the Federal Reserve if necessary to get us through this crisis. They have an unlimited amount of bullets. Now this morning I want to start off and share with you a quote from Michael Gayad, who is a fellow technical analyst, one of the best in the business, and he reminded us of a long-time quote about the markets, that markets tend to bottom when headlines are at the worst. So I want to tell you that we've not seen the worst, both the economic fallout so far and also the impact of the coronavirus. But things are going to get better in the markets before those headlines improve. Michael also said in his own words that opportunities exist when the crowd thinks it knows an unknowable future. I want to share with you now some of the advice of some of the best investment managers in the world today, starting with David Tepper, who runs Appaloosa Management. He's considered to be one of the best hedge fund managers of this generation. Also, he owns the Carolina Panthers team. And David said that we are seeing an environment right now where things are starting to look interesting in the stock market right here. I don't know where here is, he said. Maybe it's around where the market is right now, maybe 10% lower, but we're definitely starting to nibble to take advantage of this. Next, in an interview a few days ago, Bill Miller, who runs Miller Value Funds, said that he's never seen an environment as attractive as this since 2008. In fact, he said, I've seen 4 other great investment opportunities in my career. They were 1973 to 74, 1982, 1987, 2008, and now. Now, Bill Miller has the distinction of being the investment manager who has outperformed the S&P 500 for 15 straight years. So those words, I think, should be taken with a high degree of credibility. And a discussion about the investment of the experts would not be complete without listening to the words of the sage of Omaha, Mr. Warren Buffett himself. So I've got 2 quotes I want to read to you. He said, there will be interruptions. I don't know when they will occur, and I don't know how deep they will occur. I do know they will occur from time to time, and I also know that we will come out better on the other end. He also said recently, if you stick around long enough, you see everything in markets, and it took me 89 years of age to throw this one into the experience. I also want to share with you that in our own investment management strategies, we have begun to take advantage of this extreme sell-off. In our individual stock portfolio that we run called Select Equity, a few days ago, we were up to 18% in cash, and we've actually drawn that down to less than 11% because we've been taking advantage of great buying opportunities that we see. Now tomorrow I'll come back and I'll share with you some things that I think are going to be very powerful potentially for the upside of the stock market in the near term. Some very important catalysts. Thanks again for watching today. Back soon.